Hey traders, Andrew Keen from AlphaShark.com. We're going to look at the stock market today, and is today a sell-off to the beginning of the short-term top in the market, or is it just a pullback that's going to get bought? Only time's going to tell, but we see here on the daily chart here, we broke through all-time highs, and we have a recent high at 83.5. So the market starts to fail here. The market's going to start to fail because we have reached this possible short-term top. But I look at it a little bit more in depth, and we see over the course we've been basically in a 45-point range in the S&P 500 futures. When we're in this kind of range, there's really not that much to trade here. And I trade a little bit smaller here just because the risk reward setups are not that great. If you look at here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 trading days, guys. We've been in a 45-point range. So is the possible short-term top in? It's possible, but I still think the market goes higher, breaks through 21.83.5. But this little minor sell-off, if it starts to roll over, people will be like, oh, we had a double top or triple top here at 21.83.5. That will act as resistance. Resistance becomes support. I think any pullback we get will get bought into election time. So stock market rolling over a little bit today. One thing I always keep an eye on, the VIX. VIX is up about 3% today. That's a spot VIX, 1211. So keep an eye on the VIX, keep an eye on the market. I'm still net long in this market. Big position in T-Mobile. That's about it. Xander Keen from AlphaShark.com. That's a look at the S&P 500 futures in the stock market. Thanks, guys. We'll run it back tomorrow.